Hi there, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I'm sure YouTube's little algorithms are gonna punish me for it, but hey, whatever. So in today's video, I'm gonna be installing these Teraflex skid plates for my Falcon 3.3 rear shocks. What these skid plates do is they protect the lower portion of the shocks from getting hit by rocks, debris, and it keeps your precious adjustment knob safe from being damaged.
I've done a lot of wheeling since installing the Falcons, and I didn't shy away from any kind of terrain. But to be honest, I was always a little bit worried about the lower rear shock. I like the fact that the reservoir is attached to the shock. The one-piece design does make sense, but it is very exposed.
So I've said it before and I'll say it again. Those crazy little Mormons make some kick-ass shocks. But I gotta be blunt here, you know, why couldn't they have included these in the kit? I really don't know. Because we're looking at, what, like $10 worth of material here, 20 minutes of labor, if that, you know, maybe a couple hours to draw it up. I have no idea why they don't just throw these in with the kit. You know, it just seems like they're being just a little bit on the cheap side.
The install is pretty easy, and you do not have to remove the shocks to do it. I removed mine for the purposes of this video only. To install the support bolt, you'll have to do a bit of drilling. This isn't a high-stress joint, but try to line everything up so there's enough metal on the skid plate. Again, this is a low-stress joint, and the bolt is there only to hold the plate in place and to keep them from rattling. I just hand tightened it. If I had to give it a torque spec, I would say 20 to 25 foot-pounds at the most. Because I removed the shocks for this video, I had to reinstall them. This isn't super fun if your Jeep is not at full droop, but it is doable even if you're doing this solo. It's just a bit of a workout. The shock should slide right through the skid plate mounting hole. Tighten the shock down and torque it back up. I tightened mine to 55 foot-pounds. Now if you are installing these with the shock still in place, as you can see, there's lots of room to drill a hole and to adjust the supporting bolts.
And that's it. It's a pretty basic install. Again, I really think that Teraflex should have included these in the kit, but I got mine off of Amazon for $150 Canadian or around 100 US dollars. So it's a pretty small investment for peace of mind out on a rocky trail. I hope you liked my install video. If you did, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and hey, maybe leave me a comment or two to let me know how I'm doing. In the meantime, I've got a lot more work to do to Ruby before she's ready for the summer trails. So I'm out of here.